Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. Okay. Today is June 19. Tama ba? June 19? Yeah, June 19, 2024, araw ng Miyerkules. So, I was not able to record a video yesterday because meron kami activity kahapon kung saan it is in celebration with the National ICT Month. This is the second batch. Yesterday was the second batch of the training, digital literacy training for the treasurers, barangay treasurers. So we started our training kahapon at 10 a.m. because meron kasi na-adjust yung convocation namin, yung Monday convocation naging Tuesday convocation. And then syempre kaya medyo nagtagal din kami, set up kami ng mga PC, yung mga dinonate na PC ni DICT yung ginamit. So yun nga, naging productive naman. Ang mag-speak sana, ang speaker sana, ang resource person sana ay si Asel, but due to his illness, yun, ako nang Romilievo sa kanya. Gano'n naman tayo tawag dito, relievo naman tayo suportahan naman tayo. So I'm not telling you na ako lang yung may gilas sa office. Pero syempre assess ko rin yung ginagawa ng mga kasama ko. So yun, okay naman, masaya naman yung naging talk kahapon, medyo masaya, nakakatawa. They were all participative naman. And medyo doon ko talaga tinagalan sa Excel kasi for the treasurers basically, they are into figures, they are into formula, equations, computations. So tinagalan ko talaga, maghapon yun Excel ang ginawa namin. So second day would be today, but there's conflict in their schedule, because meron kasing SGLG barangay ngayon, kakaroon siya assessment ngayon, but there will be continuation tomorrow naman, So today, yun ang activities namin kahapon, digital literacy training for the barangay treasurers. And dumating na rin po yung result ng digital challenge. Out of estimate ko 24 kami, pang-apat tayo. Medyo minalas, 3 lang kukunin sa region. Puro taga-bulso, yun ko mga nanalo, mga stages. Siyempre, mga kabisado nila yun Madalas silang ginagamit sa reports, presentations nila, di ba? Okay naman. Worth it naman yung challenge. Nakakuha ko na idea. And planning to integrate it and implement it this coming September sa civil service. Yeah. Too early to prepare, but fail to plan is planning to fail. Pero yun naman initial idea namin sa digital daybreak, hindi lang na isa katuparan because of the conflicts of schedule and the priorities namin during the past 2 quarters. So yeah. So today ang activity namin ngayon, registration para yung sa ICPEP MRSP para makapag-join kami sa mga events ng MRSP, Mechatronics and Robotics Society of the Philippines. So sa MRSP, join din kami sa ICPEP. So sa ICPEP na yun, sali ko rin yung mga kasama ko doon para join lang kami sa mga events this coming third and fourth quarter. So, may mga pending din ako na atraso. Unang-una kay Madam Joy para sa launching ng aming office certificate of appearances kay DICT. And ano pa ba? Kuha ko ng sample Excel file na sinasabit ng barangay para tingnan natin kung ano magagawa natin. So diretso muna ako sa taas sa aming office. So I think wala naman na kami pending this week. Yeah, wala. Monitor na lang namin yung mga excuse me, yung mga system. Monitor namin yung utilization ng system. Ano ba nangyayari doon? Ganun bagay pa. And yeah, I think wala na tayong ibang concern. I would like to give thanks sa ating mga enforcer. Kasi sa ating mga enforcer, yung mga enro, kung saan tinulungan nila tayo maghakot ng mga gamit. Okay? Tinulungan nila tayo maghakot ng mga gamit ng PC. So hopefully next time hindi na kayo maghahakot ng PC. I-fix na namin yung aming mga gamit sa aming, hopefully may tuloy na magiging opisina. So yeah, it's a 7-minute drive from home to work, and I'm here na sa local government unit where I currently work in. So those were some of my activities today. Ngayon, mga project proposals, different project proposals, CRTCAs, checking of system utilization, and no more, no less. So thank you very much for watching. I am Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. So wala naman tayong major concerns for today. Ang major concern lang pala natin na usual na nagiging nasanay na lang tayo is yung mga, you know, those person na against sa ating performance. Sa ating pagtatrabaho. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm Oscar, this is Millennial Memo, personal stars of Millennial Government employee living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. Thank you very much for watching. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. Pero di ko na kung mag-video kasi maaga kami, maghahakot kami. But again, let us see the way.